We are not limited to Indian brand motorcycles at North County Indian Motorcycle. Check out this 2012 BMW K1600 GTL. Way up on the food chain of sport touring motorcycles. This one in colors silver and black. The bike has a 1649cc inline 6-cylinder that develops 160 horsepower. The bike, full of fuel and oil and everything that weighs a lot, even ready for the street, weighs under 800 pounds. As you can see, barely over 11,000 miles. An insane amount of storage space for long-range touring. Super comfortable. I would like to go put some miles on a bike like this because I don't have much experience with sport bikes. Beautiful, beautiful bike. 2012, under 12,000 miles. Incredibly capable bike, 160 horsepower and 800 pounds. Also, I can't help but do this. How many bikes do you know can do this? With the touch of a button, you can raise and lower the windshield to match the exact type of riding you're doing. Available for test rides and or test flights 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos. Come on out.